In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for BTC/USD and efficiently add it to your watch list for seamless Bitcoin trading. Let's dive into the process and make your cryptocurrency trading experience smoother and more organized. First, you'll want to open your preferred trading platform. Whether you're using an app on your phone or a website on your computer, ensure you're logged in and have access to all the features available on your account. This step is critical because some functionalities might be restricted if you're not fully logged in or using a guest profile. Now, turn your attention to finding the search bar. This handy tool is usually located at the top or side of the platform's interface. The search bar is your gateway to easily locating market pairs, especially the BTC USD pair that we're focusing on today. Click into this bar and you'll be ready to look up the trading pair you need. Type in BTC USD into the search bar. If there are any suggestions or predictive texts, engage with them and ensure you select the right trading pair. This is important because platforms might offer multiple similar sounding options or leverage pairs, and you want the exact BTC USD for spot trading. Examine the options carefully before making a selection, as choosing the wrong pair could lead to errors in your trading process. With the BTC USD option selected, the platform should now display the current market data for this pair. Take a moment here to absorb this information if you're planning any immediate trades. Knowing the price point, past trends, and volume can be beneficial if you're preparing to make a trading decision quickly. The next step is to add BTCI USD to your watch list. Look for an Add to Watch List button or icon, often marked with a star or a plus sign. This feature allows you to quickly access market pairs of interest without having to search for them again each time you log on. Click on it, and the BTC USD pair will be added to your personalized watch list. Keep in mind, this is a versatile tool for keeping an eye on market movements for assets you track frequently. The final thing you'll want to do is confirm that the BTC USD pair is now visible on your watch list. Navigate to your watch list tab or section, which typically gives you a condensed overview of your selected pairs. If you see BTC USD there, you're all set to go. You can now easily monitor its performance and make informed trading decisions whenever necessary. By following these steps, you've successfully streamlined your trading setup, ensuring you're always 2 clicks away from crucial Bitcoin market data. Remember, while trading, that preparation and having direct access to the needed resources can significantly impact your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!